Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I'm in my car. So we are at Walgreens and it is Sunday and we are about to do some couponing deals. So at Walgreens it has like some Scott paper deals for like final price is like $2.75. That's only if you have the $2 off coupons. And then there is Purex if you have the 99 cents off coupons. And then there is I believe a 12 pack of Cottonelle that usually runs about $10 everywhere else, but it's on sale for $5 today. So, and I absolutely love Cottonelle. So we are going to go in the Walgreens and I'm going to show y'all some deals, so then hopefully y'all can go out and get those deals also. And before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you're going to be doing any of these deals. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is on this Scott paper towels and toilet paper. So the price is $5. It's always going to be $5, but there's a $1.25 coupon in their little March booklet that I will show you in a minute. And then there's supposed to be a $1 online coupon. I couldn't find it. There was a 75 cents off coupon and a 50 cents off coupon, so I just printed that out. So the total will be $10, and then with all the coupons you will be paying $7.50 or $3.75 a piece for the packs. So I'm just going to go down and I'm going to show y'all what I'm getting. Alright you guys, so I got one of these Scott 12 pack rolls for $5, and then I'm getting one of these Scott paper towels for $5. Now the coupons that I'm going to be using is actually in here. So there is the $1.25 off for the Scott, and then I printed off, oops, let me go get that. So these are the two coupons that I printed off. So there is a 50 cents off and a 75 cents off. Now you have to go to the scottbrand.com because that is where you're going to find these coupons. You won't find them on coupons.com or anywhere else. So you have to go to scottbrand.com and fill out you have to like sign up and everything with the email address. And I hope I'm not going to get copyrighted because the music's like really loud. But use these and you use $1.25, pick up two of these, and then you're going to pay $3.75 each for it. Or if you can find the $1 off coupons, it'll make it only $2.75 each. So make sure you go and grab that. Alright you guys, so the next thing that I'm going to grab is this Purex. It is on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 off coupon that you can use to make it only 99 cents. So these are regularly $5.99, and there is different brands that you can use. But we just got this in the newspaper today, so make sure you grab this. It saves $1 on the Purex laundry detergent, any size. So pick up one of these for $1.99. Use this $1 coupon, making it only 99 cents. Alright you guys, so I am back from Walgreens. It was a very, very fast trip and a short trip for me. So everything that you see here, I paid less than $5 for everything, and I will explain to you how I did that. So for the Purex, it was $1.99, and then I showed y'all the $1 coupon, making it only 99 cents. The Scott paper towel, it was $5, and then I thought the $1.25 coupon from the March budget coupon that you get from Walgreens only applied to one. Well, it doesn't. So it applied to both, making it like $3.75. That's what the lady rung up because it wasn't ringing up or anything. So she put it for $3.75. Well, you guys, let me just show you this coupon. Alright, so the Scott right here, it's buy one, get one for equal lesser value for 50% off. So that was ringing up, and I'm not sure why it did not advertise it in the ad or anything. And then I told her about it, and she said that I don't know. I don't know what she says because she was confused too, but she still let me have it. So one of them was $3.75, and then the paper towels was $1.87, you guys. So I got this for $1.87. That's before coupons too. So that is crazy, but in all of this costs less than $5, like $4.46 or something like that. So less than $5, and that was a good trip, you guys. So make sure you go and check your Walgreens out. Go check out and see if it's like a buy one, get one 50% off, because that would be a good deal also. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, a great Sunday, and let me know if you're going to do any of these deals. Sorry that it's not longer. These are just the main deals that I thought were great at Walgreens. So I will see you guys later. Bye.